You notice lately, but these type of motivational videos getting millions of views from TikTok, Instagram and YouTube. Firstly, listen this. You are now thinking this is very difficult to create, but you are totally wrong. Because in this video I will tell you how you can create these type of videos by spending some 2 to 3 minutes in my video. Look at the views on these videos first, and this is only from YouTube, and if you upload this on Instagram and even TikTok you earn more than your expectation. And these type of creators earning thousands of dollars. And please note that this earning is across all platforms, and this is an approximate earning, not a fixed amount. Okay? So I will tell you how you can create this type of videos by spending 3 to 4 minutes. No more than that, so let's start the video. Now, we want to search for ideas. For ideas, we go on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and even YouTube, and scrolling down. You can search on Google for motivational quotes, and simply copy one of the motivational quotes you like the most, and simply go to any chatbot like ChatGPT and even Gemini. So I prefer Gemini is better than ChatGPT in writing quotes because Gemini has internet access as well, and you can also check which is trending now. But if you have ChatGPT version 4, then you go on. So first of all, copy and then give a simple command, write these type of motivational quotes with the same length but different topics. And there you go. Our quotes is ready. Now what we want, clips. So for clips we go on different websites like Pixels, Mixit, Pixabay, and even you can survey out TikTok, Instagram for clips and simply download them. Now we want to edit them. For editing I am using Capcut because it is more environment friendly, and the main reason of using it is that it is free. First of all, import all the clips in it. Second, add the text as the style you want and which looks professional and attractive, and you can do the same like me. Now third one is adding filters. Simply use the same filters as I am using, or which one you like the most in all of these. Now we have to add transition. Simply add up any smooth transition. Like in my case I am using black fade transition in this. Now simply export, but you notice something is missing. What? A perfect music. Now simply go to any website like Pixabay and even Mixit, which gives you a copyright free music. Now simply download any of them, and even you can add music before uploading these platforms. Now export it. But is there any branding in your video of yours? Like you can prove this video belonged to you? I don't think so. So you have to add perfect branding in this, otherwise anyone can steal and reuse your content. You can add your logo in your video or even a text like this. Now your video is done and ready to upload on these platforms. Creating these type of videos is pretty much easy than your expectations. Remember, at starting you will also get 5 to 10 short views and you have 0 subscribers. But the thing you have to do is to don't lose your hope. And if you want this type of more tutorials and you want to support me, then you can help me by subscribing to my channel and press the bell icon to get notified earlier about these type of videos. So if you want to create longer videos, then simply click on it and I will meet you in that video. So take care of yourself. Bye bye.